This is on the built-in mic at the Admiral Hotel.
You're at the Admiral Hotel.
It's Dover.
Oh, it's very low. Going up to 3. Indicator.
It's not a very good elevator. Send it to parking in one.
Interesting is JR elevator.
Parking opens up over here. Bumper works.
Should we get in parking?
Yeah, that's obnoxious.
Does this have some weird door distributor then? The JR elevator?
I don't know, but for what it is, it runs okay. That'll be it.
Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.